Why does Bluetooth keep turning off and how to fix it? If your Bluetooth keeps mysteriously switching off, it can disrupt your connection and productivity. Let's uncover the surprising reasons behind this and easy fixes you can do right now. One of the biggest reasons Bluetooth keeps turning off is your device's battery saver feature. When activated, battery saver restricts background activity and can disable Bluetooth to conserve energy. This saves battery but interrupts your Bluetooth connection. To fix this, simply turn off battery saver or whitelist Bluetooth in your power settings. On Android and iPhones, you can adjust these options in the battery or power management sections. On laptops, check your power plan settings and disable any Bluetooth power-saving modes. Bluetooth uses short-range radio waves, so distance and interference matter a lot. If your device moves too far from the paired device or if there are other wireless signals nearby, Bluetooth can drop or turn off. Common offenders include Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and even other Bluetooth devices. To fix this, keep your devices within 30 feet and away from sources of interference. Also, turning off unused wireless devices can help your Bluetooth stay connected. Sometimes Bluetooth turns off because of software bugs or outdated system software. If your device's Bluetooth drivers or operating system are outdated, this can cause connection drops and automatic shutdowns. Regularly updating your phone, tablet, or laptop to the latest software version often fixes these bugs. Restarting your device or resetting Bluetooth settings can also clear temporary glitches. Make sure your Bluetooth app or services are not crashing in the background. Certain apps have permission to control your Bluetooth, and misconfigured settings can cause it to turn off unexpectedly. For example, some security apps or device managers might disable Bluetooth when not in use. Also, check if your device has custom Bluetooth management settings or automation apps that could be toggling it off. Reviewing app permissions and disabling these controls can prevent unwanted Bluetooth shutdowns. If you've tried all software fixes and the problem persists, your device might have a hardware issue. Bluetooth modules or antennas can wear out or get damaged, causing unstable connections and random turn-offs. This is more common in older devices or those exposed to moisture or impact. If you suspect hardware problems, consulting a technician or your device's warranty service is the best way to get a permanent fix. Now you know why Bluetooth keeps turning off and exactly how to fix it. From power settings to interference and software glitches, these solutions keep you connected hassle-free. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and never miss a tech fix again.